Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to share your WhatsApp group link. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your WhatsApp in your phone. So after opening your WhatsApp, open the chat of the group chat that you want to share the link of. Simply just tap on the group name right on the top. So after tapping on that, you can see this is the group information. Simply scroll down and then you will see the option of invite to group via link. Under the add member, you can see there is the option of invite to group via link. Simply just tap on this just like this. You can see this will now pop up. If you want to share this link through WhatsApp, simply just tap on send link via WhatsApp. If you want to share your link through other social media, tap on share link. And if you want to just copy the link, simply tap on copy link and the link of the group will be copied to your clipboard. And if you just want a simple QR code, you can tap on QR code. And just like this, you can share the link of your WhatsApp group chat. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.